Esa cosa que te quiero hacer, baby, no salen de mi mente. Esa carita pa' mí es top 10. Si vamos a ver ese frío que terminamos en el motel, porque calentura la de aquella noche. Seamos horneros y que no nos cachen, lo volvemos a hacer nuevamente. Ese frío que si lo prendemos 12, porque calentura la de aquella noche. Seamos horneros y que no nos cachen, lo volvemos a hacer nuevamente. La pasamos rico aunque picamos, solo pa' ti babies que gastamos, yeah.
All right, so we're here at Taco Tuesday. We got Adrian here with us.
It's good.
Adrian drives a M4, stage one, right? Stage one, yeah. Moves too. It's pretty full today also. A lot of people here. And it's cold also, so.
If you build a transmission, you can still blow it if you're like 1800 horsepower.
Oh, for real? Oh yeah. Yeah, like even a shaft trans for this, like a shaft stage 4, you can still blow it. You know, depending on what you're running, you can still blow it. And you put sticky tires on it.
Doing a bunch of launches and stuff.
Yeah. I've done just right now 3 launch controls on this car. It just doesn't hook because it's 21-inch wheels with it doesn't hook.
Oh my god.
It does not hook. It just bogs. You know, it goes and bogs because it's
probably better just to like apply light throttle.
Yeah.
And then hold the brake and then just
go. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Launch control is just too crazy on it right now.
Can I sit on it?
Yeah, go ahead. It's open, I think. Yeah, it's a little bit. The funny thing about this car, it like from the outside it looks like a boat, but inside is just so small. It's a small car inside.
These things when they came out in 09, handled so much better than anything in their weight class.
Yeah. But inside, interior-wise, it's small. I was like, first time I was in the interior, I was like, damn, that's so small for how it looks from the outside.
Tengo ese saco lleno de ramos, dime si quieres repetir. En calle así te vi, esa carita se le nota que quiere mí. La más chimba de este mundo es hacerte ni tu mojadita y entera, pensando en las villas. En calle así te vi, esa carita se le nota que quiere mí. La más chimba de este mundo es hacerte ni tu mojadita y entera, pensando en las villas que era. Si vamos a ver ese frío que terminamos en el motel, porque calentura la de aquella noche. Seamos horneros y que no nos cachen.
A manual R35?
Get a lot of
Yeah. It would be crazy. Yeah.
I know they swapped F430s, but
Yeah.
like I've seen them swap
Yeah.
and they're not like easy and they're not cheap.
Yeah.
But like I don't know, I'm sure you could do it,
Yeah, probably.
but it might be such a headache
Yeah.
because you may have to like design parts.
Probably.
work
Probably
and-
bell housing, everything.
Yeah, it just-
Everything.
It's ridiculous how much work would have to go in. It'd be
Yeah.
like almost building a new transmission.
Great. Yeah, exactly.
It's a lot of.
That's a A4, A3? A3, I think. That was nice, yeah.
Just a muffler and one resonator. I still have the catalyzer, one resonator,
Yeah.
and
Sounds crazy.
that's us.
Ese frío que terminamos en el motel, porque calentura la de aquella noche. Seamos horneros y que no nos cachen, lo volvemos. Si vamos a ver ese frío que terminamos en el motel, porque calentura la de aquella noche. Seamos horneros y que no nos cachen, lo volvemos a hacer nuevamente. Ese frío que si lo prendemos 12.
Got a BRZ 370.
Oh my mate, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn, shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say,
Best colors for R35, black, white, and this color. I did not even know they had this color.
Dude,
but I have to,
my favorite color is red.
Right.
I've had a lot of cars. Ask me if I've ever had a fucking red car.
No.
I never find the luck that
To get it.
in order to get a red car, bro.
Yeah.
Every single time I find a car I like, it's always a different color.
Different color, yeah. But I really like that blue one. They had it at the Fast and Furious movie too. That Brian drove it. It's like a dark blue, yeah, something like that. The R35 is like a dark blue. I like that color too. He drove it on like the sixth movie, I think. He drove, yeah, it was like a dark blue. It's similar to that GTI color, but a little bit more bluish. Yeah.
Walk around more, bro.
Yeah, all right. I'm gonna do some takes, yeah. Let me know. But I'm always here on Tuesday, so. O que você achou? Aprovado?
Ah, eu amo esse carro, ele tá com mais
Approved. Olha os BR vazando aí. Hi, bro. How's BR? How's BR?
Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah. Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo más. Esto está fijo más. She told me that I made